So you want to know how I make $1,200 a day online as a 22-year-old. Look, I'm not going to sit here and tell you some fake rags to riches story where I was living in my mom's basement eating ramen noodles and then suddenly I became a millionaire overnight. Because that's not reality. By the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how I built a business that consistently generates $1,200 a day in profit, and more importantly, you're going to learn how you can copy my exact system. And the reason I know that you can copy this is because I've taught this to hundreds of people who are now making thousands of dollars a month themselves. A few dozen of them even crossed the $10,000 a month mark in less than 90 days. And it's their first business ever. Before we dive into the step-by-step strategy, I need to explain why most online business models completely suck and why what I do is different, because that's what makes it work. Let's start with dropshipping. Everyone and their grandmother thinks they're going to get rich with dropshipping, I swear. They see some guru on YouTube showing off a Lamborghini and talking about how they made $1 million dropshipping products from AliExpress. But here's what they don't tell you. The profit margins are absolutely garbage. You'd be lucky if you keep 20% of your revenue. Most dropshippers are operating at 5 to 10% profit. And that's if you're doing it well. So if you made, let's say, $10,000 in sales, you're only keeping maybe $1,000. And out of that $1,000, you still have to pay taxes as a company and then again as an individual. At this point, honestly, may as well work a job at McDonald's, you'll make more money. I'm not kidding. Not to mention that dropshipping is saturated as hell. We're no longer in 2010, where you could just quickly build a Shopify store and run some cheap Facebook ads and print money. Now, you're competing against giants like Shine, Amazon, Temu, and a million other dropshippers who are all reselling the same cheap products from Wish or AliExpress. How the hell are you supposed to stand out when 50 other people are selling the exact same product as you and everyone is competing on price? You can't. It's a race to the bottom that will only leave you exhausted. I know what I'm talking about. Dropshipping was one of the first online businesses I ever tried and made money from, although to be honest, I didn't make a profit and lost everything. Look, the truth that nobody wants to look in the eyes is that dropshipping is the lazy way people want to get rich. They think they can just copy and paste a winning product, run some ads, and the money will start flowing. It doesn't work like that anymore. Then there's affiliate marketing. Basically, instead of creating and selling your own products, you're selling other people's. Sure, you can make some money with it if you have a massive audience already, but for most people, affiliate marketing pays pennies. You're out here promoting someone else's product, doing all the work to drive traffic and make sales, and you're getting what? A 5% commission? 10% if you're lucky? Meanwhile, the product owner is keeping 90% of the money, and you have zero control over the product, the pricing, the customer experience, nothing. It's not worth it unless you have a big following and you want some extra easy passive income. Now let me show you the difference with what I do. When I sell digital products, coaching, or services online, I keep 90 to 98% in profit. Let me say that again, 90 to 98% profit. So when I make $1,200 in a day, I'm keeping roughly $1,100 to $1,170 of that. Compare that to dropshipping, where you'd need to do $6,000 in sales just to make the same profit I'm making. And with affiliate marketing, forget about it. You would need to generate like $20,000 in sales at a 5% commission to make what I make in a single day. Good luck. This is why I always tell people, if you want to make $100,000 in profit, it's so much easier when you're keeping 90% of your revenue versus 20% only. With my business model, I only need to do about $111,000 in sales to hit $100K in profit. But with dropshipping, you'd need to do $500,000 to $1 million in sales to hit that same profit. Which one sounds easier to you? By the way, if you want me to personally teach you how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, only working a few hours a day, I've made a free video that explains my 3-step process. It's the link in the description or pinned comment. For a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team, and we'll see what's blocking you from making more money. You might even get the chance to join my premium mentorship program, where I'm gonna teach you my advanced strategies and hold you by the hand until you're making $10,000 a month consistently with your business. The link will be in the description below. Okay, now let me break down the exact system I use to make $1,200 a day in profit. Step 1 is picking an interest or a niche. This is where most people overthink things and they get stuck before they even start. They're sitting there for weeks trying to find a perfect niche. Listen, there is no perfect niche. There you go, I said it. What matters is that you pick something you're interested in or have knowledge about. It doesn't have to be your life's passion. And contrary to popular belief, you also don't need to be an expert. You just need to know more about it than the average person. I get this a lot, you know. People say, oh, but I'm not an expert. So what? Are you just going to let that stop you from your dreams? Of course not. You get started anyway. And you at least try, even if you're not an expert. What's an expert anyway? There's always more to learn about everything. Do you want to know the real difference between people who succeed and people who don't? People who become successful don't let anything, whatever it may be, limit them, whereas people who stay broke and miserable do. That's the real difference. So you can choose to be the person who makes excuses and says they're not an expert, or you can just roll up your sleeves and start getting shit done and learn on the battlefield, just like I did. I wasted 7 months of my life procrastinating because I thought I needed to be an expert to start. So be smarter than me and don't make the same mistake, please. Right now, I'm helping people start and grow profitable online businesses by selling digital products, coaching, or services, because that's what I've done. But you could pick fitness, relationships, productivity, social media growth, parenting, cooking, gaming, literally anything. The key is that there are people in that niche who have problems they need solved, and they're willing to pay money to solve those problems. Step 2 is creating an offer around a painful problem. This is crucial. Your offer needs to solve a problem that's actually causing people pain, not just a mild inconvenience, real pain. The kind of pain that keeps them up at night or makes them feel frustrated every single day. For example, in the fitness niche, I want to lose 5 pounds is not a painful problem. But I'm 40 pounds overweight, I can't play with my kids without getting winded, and I'm terrified I'm going to have a heart attack. Now that's a painful problem worth a lot of money. Do you see the difference? Your offer should promise to take them from where they are now to where they desperately want to be. And it needs to be specific. Don't just say, I'll help you lose weight. Say, I'll help you lose 10 pounds in the next 30 days without having to spend hours in the gym or giving up the food you love. The more specific you are, the more attractive your offer becomes to your ideal customers. Step 3 is getting traffic to your offer. You could have the best product in the world, but if nobody even knows about it, you're not going to make any money. There are 4 main ways to get attention for your product or services: content, warm outreach, cold outreach, and paid ads. Content is posting valuable stuff on social media platforms where your ideal customers hang out. For me, that's YouTube. I post content consistently that educates my audience, provides value, and positions me as someone who knows what I'm talking about. This builds trust over time, and when people are ready to buy, they think of me first. Warm outreach is reaching out to people who already know you. It can be friends, family, people in your network, or better yet, followers or leads on social media who show interest in what you do. These are the easiest people to sell to because there's already some level of trust. Just reach out, tell them what you're doing, and ask if they might be interested. Cold outreach is reaching out to complete strangers. This could be through DMs on Instagram, cold emails, LinkedIn messages, emails, etc. I know this feels uncomfortable, and a lot of people are scared to do it, but this is how you get customers fast when you're just starting out. And finally, paid ads like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, Google ads. The beautiful thing about paid ads is that they're scalable. If you put in $1 and get back $2, you can just keep scaling that up. But here's the thing, don't start with paid ads if you've never sold your offer before. Master organic content and outreach first, get some clients, make sure your offer actually works, and then start running ads because it takes money to make money. If you want to learn how I built a business that makes thousands a day while working a few hours a day and traveling the world, I made a free video breaking down my 3-step process, link in the description and pinned comment. You can also apply for a free call with me or my team to find out what's holding you back from making more money, and maybe even join my private mentorship where I help you hit 10K per month and beyond. Moving on to step 4, sales. This is where the money is made. You can have the best product in the world and the best marketing, but if you can't close sales, you're not making money. There are 2 main ways to sell: sales calls or automatic sales through a sales page or funnel. When I first started, I did everything through sales calls. I still do even to this day. So I'd get someone interested through my content or outreach, book them on a call, and close them on the call. This is still the best way to sell high-ticket offers, anything over $1,000. On a sales call, you can build rapport, understand their specific situation, handle objections in real time, and customize your pitch. I've closed deals worth thousands of dollars on calls. There's no way I could have done that through just a sales page. But for low-ticket offers, like a few $1,000 up to $500, you can absolutely sell that automatically through a good sales page or funnel. Someone watches your content, they click a link, they land on your sales page, and they buy. There's no call needed. It's great because it allows you to make money passively, and that's how you unlock true freedom, but it's also extremely hard to pull off as a beginner. So if you're just getting started, start selling via sales calls before you move on to a more automated model. The key to selling, whether it's on a call or through a page, is to focus on the transformation, not the features. Nobody cares that your course has 20 hours of video content or 50 modules. They care about the result they're going to get. They care they're going to lose 20 pounds or fix their relationship. That's what you need to sell, the transformation. Funny enough, some people are going to complain about people who sell dreams. But dreams are the only thing we're ever interested in purchasing. Gotta give the people what they asked for. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Step 5, which is scaling with ads. Once you have an offer that converts and you're making consistent sales, it's time to scale with paid advertising if you're ambitious and you want to dominate. There are two main types of ads you need to understand: cold ads and retargeting ads. Cold ads are ads that go out to people who've never heard of you before. These are the hardest to make profitable because there's no trust built yet. You're literally interrupting someone's scroll on Facebook or Instagram to try and sell them something. So your ad needs to be really good, especially if you're going to sell a high-ticket product for thousands of dollars. It needs to grab attention immediately and give them a reason to click. Retargeting ads, on the other hand, are ads that only show to people who've already interacted with your content or visited your website. These are much easier to make profitable because there's already some familiarity. They've seen your face before, they've consumed your content, they know who you are. So when they see a retargeting ad, they're way more likely to click and buy. Retargeting ads typically convert at like 5 to 10 times the rate of cold ads. That should tell you something. It's funny because just a few years ago, I was this shy, anxious kid who dreamed of getting rich and having a successful business. I'd tell my parents I was working on my business, when in reality, I was just spending most of my days battling with addictions and vices that were sinking me. And I can't even tell you how painful that was. There's nothing worse than being broke, lonely, and lost. But I realized something. Change only happens when the pain of staying the same is greater than the pain of change. So with that in mind, I stopped jumping from one shiny object to the next. I stopped looking for shortcuts and magical solutions. I picked one business model, selling digital products, and I committed to it like my life depended on it, because honestly, it kinda did. And that's when things started working. That's when I went from making $0 to making my first $100 online, then my first 1,000, then my first 10,000, and then my first 1,000 in a day. The system I just laid out for you is the exact same system I've used to build my business. It's not complicated. It's actually pretty straightforward. You pick a niche, you create an offer that solves a painful problem, you drive traffic through content and outreach, close sales, and scale with ads. That's it. But here's the thing. Simple doesn't mean easy. You're going to have to put in the work. You're going to have to be consistent. You're going to have to do things that scare you. But let's be honest. Most people will watch this video, think, oh, that's cool, and then go right back to scrolling TikTok or playing video games. And that's fine. But if you're different, if you're serious about building a real business and making real money, then you need to take action on what I just taught you. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Pick your niche today. Start brainstorming your offer today. Post your first piece of content today. If you want me to teach you how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, only working a few hours a day while traveling the world, I've made a free video that explains my 3-step process. For a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team, and we'll see what's blocking you from making more money. You might even get the chance to join my premium mentorship program, where I'm going to teach you my advanced strategy step by step and hold you by the hand until you're making $10,000 a month or more. The link is in the description. And with that said, I'll see you on the other side.